Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho Books, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you edit an invoice in Zoho Book? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to edit an invoice in Zoho anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, sometimes there's mistakes on the invoice, or maybe you worked out some sort of a discount with your customer. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Books dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho Books, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and edit one of the invoices in your Zoho Books account, here on the left, you want to click on sales. It looks like a little shopping cart. Once you do that, it's going to open up and you want to click on this button here, invoices. Okay, once you do that, you'll see all of your invoices in Zoho Books. So you just want to find the invoice you'd like to edit and just click on it. Once you click there, you will see an image of your invoice in Zoho Books. And in order to edit this invoice, you want to click right here, this little pencil icon, edit. Okay, so here it opens up the invoice so you can go ahead and edit as you see fit. So for example, if we made a mistake and we added the quantity at 3, maybe we're going to change that down to 2. And maybe we are going to change the rate for this customer, or the due date, or the invoice date. We can change that right here. Okay, so once you have edited the invoice in your Zoho Books, be sure to click on save down here on the bottom left. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the invoice has been edited. So I can go ahead and share it or print it out as a PDF right up here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to edit an invoice in your Zoho Books, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.